That's why I'm investing, and we don't have enough income initially to take advantage of the K1. The K1 doesn't falter because you don't file it and use it immediately. It's a carry forward. So if you don't use it in year one and the property appreciates and you get more profits and cash flow, I think it's very important to understand that part of the K1 is that even though you get a depreciation advantage and a tax advantage, it has nothing to do with not receiving your cash flow, number one. And number two is if you don't use all of the loss on your K1s, it's a carry forward the balance and you can use it in future years.
That's a great point. I can say personally, I was running my own business and taking my primary income as ordinary income and not as a real estate professional for many years. And over that whole time, I was building up a massive account in my carry forward. And then when I went off to start being a full-time real estate professional, I didn't have to pay taxes for many years. It was quite nice.
Yeah. Very important piece.
So if anyone has any questions, this is the great time. Otherwise, we can wrap it up. We have a lot of tax preparation ahead of us in the next 3 or 4 weeks. That's basically the only conversation on our minds. There's a lot to speak about. There's a lot of opportunities and a lot of different tax strategies that we didn't go into just to keep our conversation simpler. And we may do further webinars on those specific things, such as opportunity zone funds and segregate, like we were talking about cost seg studies, those sorts of strategies that we use on a lot of our projects.
I would just say it inures to your benefit. It speaks to the quality of the type of deal that you operate, that you would actually think to put a webinar like this together just to educate your investors on an obligation